Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prac. My name is Samir Sardana and in this video we are going to discuss a CAT 2017 slot 2 set. It's a t-taster set based on the concept of quantitative reasoning. To solve the set you need the basic knowledge of numbers, classifications, right? In number system we do number classification, right? Not in detail, but yes, the basic definition of even numbers, odd numbers. So there's a small touch of quant concept in this logical reasoning set, which is a CAT original CAT 2017 set. Here is the direction. Here are the direction. Let's quickly solve this set. It says a tea taster was assigned to rate teas from 6 different locations: Munnar, Wayanad, Ooty, Darjeeling, Assam, and Himachal. These teas were placed in 6 cups, number 1 to 10, not necessarily in the same order. The tea taster was asked to rate the teas on the strength of their flavor. On a scale of 1 to 10, he gave a unique integer rating to each tea. Some other information is given below. So after reading the first paragraph, you get to know that this set is basically to find out the rating of tea and also the state of the tea. There are 3 variables that this set is talking about: the cup number of the tea, the state of the tea, and the rating of the tea by the tea taster. And the rating is from 1 to 10. This is one thing that you need to take care. And there are total 6 different type of teas. So 6 different state and 6 cups number. And these are the information that we are supposed to know, that we are supposed to solve. So you straight away start with writing down the cup number, right? So can I write down the cup number 1 here? So there are 2 points, right? First, in the first column, you write down all the cup name: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we will finally organize, right, this complete information, right? We need to make a small table, right, telling us that in which cup, right, in which cup which state tea is present and what is the rating of that tea. So we are supposed to find out the state of the tea and the rating of the tea. These are the 2 variables that we are supposed to find out, and we have this information to complete the table. Okay, do we need to complete the table? That depends what type of information is available to us, right? So let's straight away start filling in the information in the table. The first question says cup number 6 contain tea from Himachal. So straight away I can write down the name of the state here. The state name is Himachal here, right? So this name is Himachal, right? Okay. Tea from Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup number 3. So cup number 3 did not get the highest rating. What is the highest rating? It can be any number from 1 to 10. We do not know what is that highest rating, right? Obviously, if there are 6 cups, the minimum possible highest rating is 6. The maximum possible highest rating can be 10. So it can be any number from 6 to 10, but we do not know that highest rating is what number. This is something we need to find out. And what we can mention over here is tea from Ooty got the highest rating. So just keep this information, right? Just take it as a highlighter, right? Just highlight this information that the tea from Ooty got the highest rating and it was not in cup number 3. So can I say the cup number 3 does not contain the tea from Ooty, right? So just straight away write it down like this, right? Cup number 3 does not contain the tea from the Ooty. The rating of tea in cup number 3 was double the rating of the tea in cup number 5. So if the rating of the cup number 5 was x, the rating of the cup number 3 will be 2 times of x, that is 2x. Okay. Only 2 cup got the rating in even number. Now this is a very important information, that 2 cups got the even number rating. Can I say that one of that cup will definitely be cup number 3 because this is 2 times of x. So this is definitely going to an even number. Cup number 3 will definitely be an even number. So there is one more cup which will be having a tea rating as an even number. Okay. Cup 2 got the minimum rating and this rating was an even number. Now the second cup which contains an even number as a rating of tea is cup number 2, and I need to write down that this cup number is also have an even rating and it got the minimum rating, right? Now the minimum even number can be 2, 3, 2 or 4 or 5, but we can straight away say that this number can definitely be cannot be 6, because if I take this number as 6, right, this number is the minimum possible rating. So 6 is definitely not the case. There are only 2 possible cases, because if this number is an even, it can either be 2 or it can be 4. right? Cup number 2 can have a rating of 2 or it can have a rating of 4. Okay. What else is a possible case? And also you need to take care that this number is having a minimum rating. This number is having a minimum rating. So just write down the word minimum here also, right? This is having a minimum possible rating. Only 2 cup got the rating. Okay, we have used this information. We have used the information number 5 also. Look at the information 6. Tea in cup 3 got a higher rating than that in cup number 1. So cup number 3 rating is higher than the cup number 1. Okay, we will use this information later. The rating of tea from Venard was more than the rating of tea from Munnar, right? So tea which belonged to Venard is more than the rating of the tea from Venard is more than the tea from Munnar, and but less than that from Assam, and but less than from Assam. So that means Venard rating is less than that of Assam but more than that of Munnar. Okay. Now let's start filling in the information. We know that this number is definitely not an even number. If this is not an even number, then there are two possible cases here, that this number will either be 1 or it will be 3, right? Why it can't be 5? Because if you take it as 5, then this will be 10, and if this is 10, this will be the highest rating. But it is specifically mentioned that the highest rating is not in cup number 3. The rating of tea in cup 3 was double the rating of tea in cup 5. Tea from the Ooty got the highest rating, but it was not in cup 3. So cup number 3 is not having the highest rating, so I cannot put the value of 10 here. So therefore the only possibility for cup number 5 is to have the rating of 1 and 3. Now if I put 1 here, then this value will be 2. Then this become minimum, right? And minimum rating is cup number 2. So 1 is also not the possible case. So if 1 is not coming here, that means 3 is coming here. So straight away I can mention these two values, that if 1 is not coming, 3 will come here. If 3 will come here, then the value that will come over here will be 6, right? So now let's write it down. So this is rating 3 and this is rating 6. All right. What about cup number 2? Now cup number 2 has two ratings, either 2 or it can be 4, and both it has to be minimum. Now you see that if I put a value of 4, then it will not be a minimum rating, because then 3 will become minimum. I need to keep the rating of the cup number 2 as minimum possible. So therefore out of 2 and 4, I will choose the option of 2 because that is less than 3. So therefore I also get to know that the rating of cup number 2 is 2, right? So the rating of cup number 2 will be 2, right? Okay, so these are the three values that we get to know. Now tea from the Ooty got the highest rating, right? That Himachal is coming over here, so Ooty cannot come here. Ooty cannot come here because Ooty is getting the highest rating. So there are only two options left for Ooty. It can either be cup number 4 or it can be cup number 1. These are the only two options left. Do we have any other information which is telling us that where we can place the Ooty? Let's have a look at it. Tea in cup number 3 got a higher rating than in cup number 1. Now you see that this information can tell you tea from Ooty got the highest rating, and Ooty is not in cup number 3, and rating of 3 is more than the rating of 1. So if rating of 3 is more than rating of 1, that means one cannot have a tea from the state Ooty, because if cup number 1 have the tea from the state Ooty, the rating has to be highest, which is not possible. So therefore Ooty can come only at one place, and that place is cup number 4. So Ooty will come over here. This has to be the highest rating. Okay, what will be that highest rating? It has to be an odd number and it has to be more than 6. So there are only two possible cases, that it will have the highest rating of 7 or it will have the highest rating of 9, right? Okay, and we also need to make sure that the rating of cup number 3 is more than the rating of cup number 1. If we have 6 here and we know that their number here will come as odd, so if the odd number is supposed to come at in front of cup number 1, it can only be 1 or it can be 3 or it can be 5. Now 1 cannot come here. Why 1 cannot come here? Because the minimum rating is cup number 2, so 1 is eliminated. 3 cannot come here because 3 is available here, so this is also eliminated. The only option left for cup number 1 is the rating of 5. So therefore cup number 1 will have Cup number 1 will have the rating of 5, so this value will be equivalent to 5. Okay, so let's write down this value. Cup number 1 will have the rating of 5. Okay, now we are left with this value, Himachal. Now Himachal, we have the information. Let's use the information. The tea from Ooty got the highest rating. Okay, so it has to be cup number 4, but it can be 7 or 9 both. You see that if I place a value of 7 over here, let's say if I'm placing a value of 7 here, then you see that for this particular cup I don't have any option left. I will have the option of either 1 or 3 and 5 are already placed over here. So only option left for Himachal is 1, because even number cannot come over here. But 1 cannot come here, because in that case the minimum rating will be in the cup number 6. The minimum rating is already mentioned, it's cup number 2. So therefore the only option left for Himachal to have an odd number is 7. So if 7 comes over here, then the rating of the cup, which rating of the tea which is from the Ooty is 9. So therefore the value 9 will come over here, right? So therefore 9 will come here, right? And 7 will come over here. All right. So you see that these are the states name: Ooty, Himachal, and Assam, Wayanad, and Munnar. We do not know, and no more information is available. It can be, placed in these 4 places in any order, right? We do not have any other information except this, so we'll have to keep it on hold, right? And yes, no other information is talking about the state, so just keep it on hold. We know the state of Himachal will be here, Ooty will be here. Assam, Wayanad, Munnar, and Darjeeling. These are the state names that we cannot find in this case. We need more information for that. But let's see, do we require this information to answer the question or not? If you look at the first question, what was the second highest rating given? The second highest rating given, you see that the first highest rating is 9, the second highest rating is 7. I don't require this information of state to answer my first question, so the answer to this question is 7, right? The answer to this question will be 7. Now let's look at the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, what was the number of the cup that contained tea from Ooty? We already know that the number of the cup that contains tea from Ooty, you see that cup number is 4. So the answer to this question is cup number 4. So 2 questions can be answered without using the information of states. So we don't need that information to answer the first 2 questions. Now these are the 2 questions of this set. That question number 3 and question number 4 will be discussed in the next part of the video. And you try to give the answer to the question number 3 and question number 4 now that we have made a table, a small table, right? Let's see. The third number table is about the state, and state information is not unique, but try to use this information which is given in the question. Using this information, is it possible to answer the question or not? Try to do that. So here is question number 3 and here is question number 4. These are the 2 questions which I will be discussing in the next part of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. On this channel of LRDI Prep, you will get 100% access LRDI coverage, syllabus coverage, completely. This complete syllabus will be covered over here for all MBA entrance exams. And if you're planning to go for Unacademy Plus subscription, use my referral code LRDI. This will give you a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription, and you will be able to attend all of my live sessions. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part of the video. Thank you.